Hello everyone. In this session, in this video, we are going to do the practical demonstration of AWS VPC peering. In our last video, we discussed everything about the VPC peering. What are the different rules? Okay, like IP space cannot be overlap is the main rule. Remain. I have discussed about the transitive peering can be in the same region. We have discussed everything. So now it's time to go for the practical demonstration of that. So what we do now, till yet we have created single VPC, we work on the single VPC. But in this demonstration of peering, we have to create the two VPCs and then establish the peering between them. So then one EC2 in different VPC and one EC2 in different VPC can communicate with each other with the help of private IPs, not with the public IP. With the help of private IP, they can communicate with each other. So first we create two VPCs, then establish the peering between them. Then I will show you the how these two EC2 in different VPCs communicate with each other with the help of private IP. You will see the entire process here in depth. So please keep watching the video. Okay. So let's start. We are here in the login into the management console. First we create two VPCs. Go to network and content delivery, VPC. I think I already have one VPC, so delete it, no issue. I'm deleting my previous so that I can start from the scratch. Yeah, gone. So now we have only one default VPC. Create VPC. Give any name. We will go a little fast because we have done already many times these things. IP range, tenancy default. Going little fast because we have done already many times. So first VPC has been created, VPC 1. Second step, we have to take 4 steps. Now if you remember, we have discussed many times. First create VPC, then create subnet, then create gateway, and then configure the route table. Then go to subnet. Already one VPC subnet here, delete it. Yeah. So it's not exist. Yeah, gone. So create subnet in VPC 1, VPC 1 hyphen subnet. Availability zone no preference. Okay, we are in the North Virginia. 6 availability zone is here. 6 availability zone is here in the North Virginia region. CIDR range. Okay. 10.0.0.0/24 this time, taking for this particular subnet CIDR. So if any doubt, please keep watching the previous videos also. Everything is discussed there. So subnet has been created. With the CIDR block of 10.0.0.0/24. Third step to create a VPC is the internet gateway. Already available everything. Refresh it. Yeah. I have some previous stuff. Yeah, gone. So now create internet gateway VPC1 hyphen IGW. Create internet gateway. Internet gateway IGW has come, but it is detached. So attach it with the VPC. So I will going to attach it with the VPC1. So now it is attached. Correct? Then come to the routing table. We will create one routing table. VPC1 hyphen IGW, sorry, RT with VPC1. Create route table. So route table has been created. Now next step, subnet association. If any doubt, please watch previous videos also. We have discussed everything in detail there. Routes, so we need to add IGW here. Attach IGW that I have created and save it. So everything is done for the first VPC. Now create second VPC. VPC 2. Keep it in mind, IP should not be overlap. In first VPC, we have used 10 IP series. So IP series should be different here. Private IP series 172.16.0.0 slash 16. Clear? Only one condition, IP should not be overlap. Everything is accepted. VPCs can be in the same region, can be in the different region, can be in the same account, can be in the different account. Right now I am using same region, same account. Clear? So create VPC. So second VPC has been created. VPC2 has been created. Next, subnet. We need to create one more subnet with VPC2. Now you can see the CIDR range is different here. If we choose this one, CID range is 10. If you go to VPC2, CIDR range is 172. VPC2 hyphen subnet. No preference, okay. CIDR range 172.16.0.0/24. Create subnet. VPC1 and VPC2 subnet has been created. Third step is to create the internet gateway. Already one internet gateway is here, that is attached with VPC1. That is attached with VPC1. Now we will create one more internet gateway, VPC2 hyphen IGW. Create internet gateway. But it is detached. Now we have to attach this VPC with internet gateway with VPC2. So this VPC is also, this internet gateway will also get attached with VPC2. You can see here. Sorry. Last step, route table. Create route table. VPC2 hyphen RT with VPC 2. Create route table. So you can see here, first we have to do the subnet association. With VPC 2 subnet, we are going to associate it. Only you have to take little precautions. What we have done for the VPC 1, attach everything with the VPC 1. Don't do any such mistake. Mix everything. Root, edit root, and IGW with IGW VPC 2 IGW. Save change. So everything is ready. 2 VPCs is ready. Now what we have to do? We have to do the peering. Create peering connections. Given a name like VPC 1, VPC 2 peering. Now here one thing you have to consider. One will be the acceptor, requester. Look here. One will be the requester who will create the request. Yes, with the another VPC, I want to peer with you. And then second one will be the acceptor. Who say, yeah, okay, I'm permitting you to peer with me. One will be the requester and second will be the acceptor. So it is asking which one will be the requester. I'm saying okay, VPC 1 will be putting a request to VPC 2. Now here is the thing you have to see. It can be in the same region, my account or another account, or in the same region or in the different region. Only here that I have discussed with you, it can be the same account, can be in the different account, can be in the same region, can be in the different region. I'm showing you the option. Like if I'm saying another account, then it will ask about the account ID. Ask to the another person who is the, here you will find the account ID. Ask this ID of the acceptor. You are the requester. Ask the ID of the acceptor and fill it here. Simple, nothing complicated. Same reason or another reason. So which reason is that? You have to choose here. So I don't think it's a very difficult process. So now it is asking about the acceptor. Here is a requester. So you're saying which one should be the acceptor? VPC 2 is the acceptor. Very simple, nothing complicated in the pairing. Create peering connection. Peering connection has been created. Now it is the same account. So acceptor need to accept the request. Yeah, I'm accepting the request. If it is in the another account, then request go to that account. Now we are in the same account, so request come here. Select the VPC peering, go to action and accept the request. Accept request. Now active. Simple process. One more thing you have to do. Lastly, you have to update your routing tables. What routing table? Because it knows about its own network but does not know about the 10 network. In the same way, VPC 1 know about the 10 network but does not know about the 172 network. We need to update that route here. Look here, add route. uh, 10 network is there, so we need to add 172 172.16.0.0/16. But what is the target? As for the internet, you have choose the target internet gateway. So which target I should choose here? Here I need to choose peering connection. Which peering connection? This peering connection. When two EC2s in different VPCs need to communicate on the base of private IP, like 10 need to communicate 172, then target should be peering connection that we have created. Save changes. Now go to VPC2, same thing we have to update there. The IP series of, like here 172 is added, it's on local network, but we need to add 10 network here also. 16. Here also we need to choose peering connection. Which peering connection? Same peering connection. And save change. Both sides we have to do that. Now everything is ready. Now what we do, everything is done. For testing purpose, what we do, we will create two VPCs, two EC2 in different VPCs. Sorry, instance, launch instance, VPC1, give any name, just I'm zeroing it all these things for the easiness. We are creating Windows servers, everything default, no issue. Key pair, I think everybody knows about the key pair, so I'm going to use existing key pair. Or you can create new key pair also. If any doubt, please watch all the previous videos, including EC2 creations. Many times this point has been discussed. Main thing we have to discuss here, focus here is the network settings. In VPC, we want to create VPC1. Auto IP, yeah, enable. Security group, add some rules, like for testing purpose we will use the ICMP. So allow all ICMP anywhere. Done everything? No need to add more right now. Remain depend your production environment, we work practically. Launch instance. Yeah, done. In the meantime, we will create one more instance in second. EC2 hyphen EC2. Windows server. Same, I will use the same key pair. No need to create again and again. You have to focus on the network setting. Now we will create in VPC2. Subnet info OK. Enable. Here also we will create one security group rule. All ICMP anywhere. Okay. And launch instance. Successful instance. Two instances is run started. Let's wait some time. In the meantime, machine starts. What we do here, we will note down these private IPs. I'm opening Notepad. I will copy this one and note it here, because when we do VPC1 hyphen PC2 and check the private IP of second, it is a 172.16.0.13 103, sorry, 172.16.0.103 VPC2 hyphen EC2. Keep it note down. Wait till the machine starts. It's initializing. It can take 4-5 minutes. Yeah, first has been started. In the meantime, let's what we do, connect RDP, download the desktop file and password. I put here VPC1 key pair 1, VPC1 key pair 1. I have already created. Done. Decrypt password. Copy. Just in the meantime, open the desktop of that machine, open file, connect, paste the password, okay, yes. We have successfully launched our first instance that we create in VPC1. Let us start. In the meantime, check. Still initializing. Perfect. First instance has been launched in VPC1. Check for another one, initializing. Yeah, second is ready. So now take the remote access of that, download RDP file, password, upload key file, same key file and decrypt password, copied it. Open that, paste the password, yes, first instance is ready. Second instance is getting ready. Everything is clear now. Two different EC2 in different VPCs. And then establish the peering connection. Now check that both EC2s will communicate with each other on the base of private IP. 0.6.6, yeah, we have noted down here now. VPC1 EC2. Just wait. One 172.16.0.103. Yeah, look here, 103. So let's test. Is both the machine, both EC2, able to communicate with each other with the help of private IP? Ping. Here is the this. So I private IP of another machine is 10.0.0.6. Space minus T. Start the pinging on another machine also 103. Request timeout. Why? Well, let's check, no problem. Otherwise everything is okay. One zero three. Ping 172.16.0.103 space minus T. Let's check the state. Request timeout. Why? It should not happen because everything we have done is a perfect. What can be the reason? Oh, yes, firewall problem. Check that also. Perhaps it is enabled. That's why it's not permitting. Otherwise, everything is perfect. Yeah, that is the reason. Just turn it off. Do the same thing on another also. Yeah, it started. Sorry. Network and sharing center. Network and sharing center. Defender firewall. It's a disabled. You have to go to another machine. This is only the firewall. Otherwise, everything we have done is a perfect. No issue in that. Go to Window Defender firewall. Here is also on. Turn it off. Okay. Now you can see it's pinging on the base of private IP, and it also start pinging. Perfect. Now you can see two different EC2 can communicate with each other in different VPCs. Two different EC2 can communicate with each other on the base of private IPs. That is the beauty of peering. No internet, nothing. Because a private IP cannot go over the internet. But with the help of peering, these two can communicate with each other in a secure manner without going to the internet with the help of AWS backbone network. Hope everything is clear. Very simple step that we have discussed with you. Everything is discussed here. So I'm going to close everything now. Same thing that we keep saying to you. Now it's time. If any doubt, please write me in the comment box. Otherwise, follow the step and you will get everything perfect. Now it's your assignment to create the VPC in different accounts and different regions and then practice. You have to do the practice yourself. In case I got some requests that they are not able to do that, then I will create the video for that also. Otherwise, do the practice. It is good for you. Same process, delete the every resource you create. Delete route table entries, right? Otherwise, it will be chargeable for you. As soon as you complete your practical, delete all the resources that you have created there. Delete. Has been deleted. Next step, to delete EC2s. Until unless you delete the EC2, you will not be able to delete VPC. Terminate. 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 That will take some time. Do go to the termination state, then directly go to VPC. Right now we are not able to delete the VPC until unless this EC2s enter into the termination state. I will show you. Still we will not able to delete the VPCs. Can give some error. Let's check first. Yeah, it's saying unable to delete until unless that machines enter into the EC2 state. EC2 in the termination state. We have done many times this thing after beyond this. So keep doing the practice. Hope you enjoy the video. If any doubt, write me in the comment. Practice again and again. Okay. Thank you very much. Next time we will come with the endpoint of VPC. Very interesting topic. So keep watching. Thank you very much.